My friends, let me begin with this. Keep walking. Never stop. Walking is one of the greatest gifts you can give your body and mind, no matter your age. Every step you take is like writing a love letter to your future self. And yet, while walking is powerful, it is not the whole story. Science shows us that walking alone, though wonderful, doesn't cover every need your body has as it grows older. So today, I want to take you on a journey, a deep step-by-step look at what science say walking truly does for every part of your body, and then we'll explore the other simple, easy, and life-changing routines that support it. Think of walking as the foundation of a house, strong, steady, vital. But a house needs walls, windows, and a roof to be complete. By the end of this, you'll see how to build your full house of health. Let's start with the heart. Science says walking is like a soft massage for your heart muscle. Each step improves circulation, lowers blood pressure, and strengthens the ability of your heart to pump oxygen-rich blood to every cell in your body. Research results shows that people who walk regularly have a significantly lower risk of heart disease and stroke. It's not just numbers on a blood pressure monitor. It's your heart beating more freely, with less strain, giving you energy for everything else you do. Now the lungs. Science says walking opens up the lungs, increasing oxygen intake and training your respiratory system to work more efficiently. That deep, steady breathing during a brisk walk clears out stale air, improves lung capacity, and even helps fight off infections by keeping your airways strong. For older adults, this is critical because according to research, lung capacity has been found to naturally decline with age. Walking slows that decline, helping you breathe easier. Let's talk about the brain. Experts say when you walk, your brain lights up with activity. Blood flow increases, delivering more oxygen and nutrients. This sparks the growth of new brain cells and strengthens memory. Walking has even been shown to reduce the risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Think of it as a daily investment in keeping your mind sharp, alert, and creative. That clear-headed feeling you get after a walk? That's your brain saying thank you. The bones are next. Discovery shows that with every step, your feet strike the ground and send signals through your skeleton. This weight-bearing activity tells your bones to stay dense and strong. Without it, bones thin out faster, increasing the risk of fractures. Walking keeps your skeleton alive, resisting osteoporosis and helping you stand tall. Now your muscles. Discovery also shows that walking uses more than your legs. It engages your hips, lower back, and even your core. This gentle, repetitive use builds endurance and maintains tone. But here's the catch. Walking strengthens endurance, but it does not stop muscle loss by itself. Research shows that, after age 60, we lose muscle more quickly, and this is where walking needs its partners. Even digestion benefits from walking. Gentle movement helps food move through your system, reduces bloating, and supports a healthy metabolism. Research carried out on many people find that a short walk after meals helps keep blood sugar stable, a vital defense against diabetes. And let's not forget mood. Science says walking releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. It reduces stress hormones and lifts your spirit, fighting off depression and anxiety. This is why after a walk, the world just feels lighter, brighter, more manageable. So yes, walking touches nearly every part of your body: the heart, lungs, brain, bones, muscles, digestion, and mood. It is truly a medicine. But science also makes something very clear. Walking alone is not enough. It cannot fully protect you from loss of strength, balance, flexibility, or independence. And that is why we must add other movements that fill in the gaps. Discovery shows that the first companion to walking is strength training. If walking cares for your heart and endurance, strength training is what guards your independence. Without strength, simple daily tasks, lifting groceries, standing from a chair, climbing stairs, become struggles. Gentle resistance builds and protects muscle, which in turn supports your joints, balances blood sugar, and even strengthens your bones more than walking alone. And the best part, it doesn't need fancy equipment. Standing up from your chair repeatedly, pressing against a wall, or lifting light household objects are enough to rebuild what time has taken away. Strength is the shield that prevents frailty. Then comes balance training. Experts say walking trains forward motion, but balance training prepares you for the unexpected. A slippery floor, a step you didn't see, or a sudden turn. Good balance is the invisible skill that keeps you upright and uninjured. Simple acts like standing on one foot while holding a chair, practicing heel-to-toe steps, or gentle Tai Chi routines can dramatically reduce fall risk. Each practice session is like a safety net woven under your feet, giving you confidence in every movement. Next, flexibility. Science discovery says walking keeps you moving, but it doesn't stretch your muscles fully. Over time, stiffness creeps in, limiting how far you can reach, bend, or turn. Flexibility routines are the oil for your joints, keeping them smooth and pain-free. Shoulder rolls, gentle neck turns, seated hamstring stretches. These tiny movements release tightness, improve posture, and prevent injury. Think of it as lubrication for the hinges of your body. Now, posture and core strength. Experts agree that walking engages the legs, but your core, experts say the muscles of the abdomen, lower back, and pelvis, is what stabilizes you with every step. A weak core means more back pain, more wobble, more fatigue. Gentle core exercises like sitting tall and tightening your stomach muscles for a few breaths, or simple standing pelvic tilts, keep your spine aligned and your steps strong. A solid core is the foundation that makes walking safer and more powerful. Finally, something experts call brain-body exercises. Walking stimulates the mind, but discovery says when you combine movement with mental challenge, the benefits multiply. It says that dancing, Tai Chi, or simply marching while reciting poetry or prayers connect body and brain. These activities build coordination, improve memory, and protect against cognitive decline. It's not just exercise, it's training for both your body and your mind to age gracefully together. So here is the bigger picture. Walking is your foundation. It is the river that keeps your heart, lungs, brain, and mood flowing with energy. But to build a complete life of health after 60, you need to support that river with strong banks. Strength for your muscles, balance for your safety, flexibility for your joints, posture for your spine, and brain-body routines for your mind. The beauty is, you don't need to exhaust yourself. You don't need hours in the gym. Just 10 to 20 minutes sprinkled throughout your day is enough. Do a few chair stands while waiting for your tea to brew. Stretch your shoulders while watching TV. Practice balance while brushing your teeth. Let these movements weave naturally into your life. Science proves it, but more importantly, life itself will show you. Combine walking with these simple routines, and you will not only live longer, you will live freer, stronger, and more joyfully. So keep walking, dear friends. But let walking be the beginning, not the end. Build upon it, support it, and let it carry you into the most vibrant years still waiting ahead.